this Callistemon has just started to flower. I love it. It's really quite old. It's in a very small amount of soil out the front in the sun, this side of the laurel hedge, and it does protect the birds because they come down to the bird feeder here when they're full. So yeah, just absolutely the most stunning. And the moths love it at night, interestingly love it. Callistemon, amazing shrub, is right next to the bee's nest under the wooden steps. But of course, the bees knew that. So if they're knackered, they've got food right there. Clever bees.